location, then I'll be right there. Let me come check you, my baby. No time, no. You send me the location.
Today's video is brought to you by Khalil's Hair. As you see, when you open the package, you get a nice little gift, and then there comes the hair. So let me show you guys what's in the package. So what is in the package? You get a wig cap. You get this little brush here, makeup brush that they send. And if you are also into lashes, you also get lashes, and they also give you a headband. So that's what the nice little gesture gift that they give to you that you can use. And this bag is good. You can use it to keep stuff in, especially when you're going on vacation, to reuse. They also have the instruction on the back of the box. And yeah, you can definitely go and find their social medias. And this is the hair here. So here that I got, I think this hair is a 20 or 22 inch. I think it's straight hair I got. So this hair is, as you see, has a nice ombre color to it, and it is perfect for the fall, summer, or winter season, or spring. It has the 2 clips at the top, one here, and like I said, it's a T-part wig as well. Yes, and I actually had just bleached the knots as well. So I am going to install this hair, and let's get into the video and show you guys how it looks. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently curling the back of the hair just to try and give a cute little style to it. I will show you guys when I finish curling the, when I finish curling the top and what it looks like before I fully install the hair. Finish curling the hair. Yeah, so the only thing I have is the front, so I'm just going to finish the front, and then we are going to, and then I just have to finish the front, and then we are going to install this bad boy. I love this color, nice ombre color going on. Finish, just curl the back of this. Let me just use my comb, and I'm just going to comb here, and I'm gonna finish curl this hair, and then I'm going to do the top. Yeah, so I just wanted a nice curly look for this wig install by Khalil Hair. So I'll just hold it there for a little bit and let it curl. So I just have just the top alone to curl. I curled the bottom. You could also use a curling wand, but I would need a smaller curling wand to curl it. So for now, I'm just gonna use this curling iron, and it works better anyways. I think this is I'm not sure if it's a 1.5 inch curling iron, but all I know, it gets the job done well. So, and it's almost hot. Okay, so I'm gonna unravel it, and how I unravel my curls is a little bit, and then I just go like this because I want that ringlet curl. So take my time, and I haven't put any products in the hair, and I'm just gonna go in with my Easy Edge coconut control for the top of the hair. So I'm gonna turn my mannequin around so you guys can see the top of the mannequin's head, and just make sure the part is nice and parted. And just gonna take this, and I'm gonna, because I want the top to be nice and laid when I put it on. So I'm just going to silk it down with this, and then I'm going to go in with my curling wand. I actually like using the curling wand. I find it works good with actually laying down the hair. Sometimes a little bit better than using the flat iron. Not the flat iron, the comb, the hot teeth comb, but like I said, to each his own. You do what you prefer, what works best for you. Okay, so that should be good enough. So I'm just gonna go in with my wand and I'm gonna go over this bad boy. Oh, and I love the way it actually lays. So I like to use my wand, and as I use my wand, I tend to comb. But before I do all of this, I don't want it to be too finished as yet, because I still have to do the other side. I still have to curl the hair, so I'm gonna just kind of tease up here for now. Okay, so I tease the front, so as you guys can see, it's nice and laid. But what I'm going to do is I am going to finish curl here. So let me do that ASAP. I'm gonna move this, my little T points down, and we'll just move it down here. And as you see, I had already cut the lace off this hair, and I've also customized it. So I customize the hair to my liking. For me, I really take a hair out the box and not customize it. That's just my preference. So this one, I'm gonna give it two curls up here. So all right, guys, so this is the last one, and then it will be finished curling. Okay, looks very nice. So I'm just going to go back up here now, because okay, so there is the look. Put on the wig, so I just gotta make sure I know exactly where to taper it down to make sure it fits properly. Take my blow dryer and
Then I'll be right there. Let me come check you, my baby. No time, no. Send me the look you.
okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to put this up a little bit higher, and then I'm going to go in and tie it down with an elastic band. So I'm gonna tie it down with an elastic band, and then I will come back. I'll come back and show you guys what the finished result is. So I'm just going to tie it down with this, just so it melts into my scalp, because I want that nice melted look. And when I take it off, it should be nice and melted. So yeah, so I'm just gonna give it about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, let it finish dry, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm just going to take this down. And there we go. So there's the look. I'm just going to take this and just touch up the front a bit, because I love that glow that it gives off. Yeah, I definitely love that glow that it gives off. And look guys, look so good. And I'm not doing no baby hairs because I don't need. Oh, okay. So now I could actually just go in, use my hand and unravel some of these curls. Okay. Yeah. There you have it. This is the finished product. Yes, so this is the finished product. What do you guys think? This is a 20. So there you guys go, a finished product. This hair, like I said, this hair is brought to you by Klaiyi hair, and it's a 20 inch. Is the 20-inch hair, 20-inch hair from Klaiyi. So this is a 20 straight inch hair from Klaiyi. As you guys can see, it has highlights in it. I think it's called a Balayage, something like that hair, but I hope you guys, and let me show you the back. So this is what the back looks like. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you guys have any video suggestions, idea, please leave them in the comments below on videos that you guys would like to see on this channel. I'm trying to give you guys a variety of videos as well. And I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feeling them alone for do it big.